Hey there guys, and welcome back to the adventures of MCG. So today, me and Dad are going off for a bit of a father-son adventure to Diddley Squat Farm, and we'll catch you guys out on the road. So today's adventure has got us onto Diddley Squat Farm here with my dad. We've bought some Hawkston Brewery, we've been around the shop. It took us about 20 minutes or so to get in, but we're just waiting on food, and we're going to be reviewing Jeremy Clark's infamous famous burger. And we'll get back to you guys, we'll review at the end, let's see how we feel. But as we're sitting here, not a bad view, but yeah, catch you guys in a bit. So that is us all done at Diddley Squat Farm. We're currently on the way back home, and we'll be finishing off this video with a review about the food, location, and is it worth going to. And I'll catch you guys in a minute. So that is us back from Diddley Squat Farm. Pretty good, I'd say, overall. What was it? It took us about 20 minutes to get into the main shop. Obviously then we had burgers, which were quite expensive, so they were £12 per burger, £5 for chips on top, but overall rating, really good. 8.5 out of 10 for me. I'm not too sure what Dad said, I think he was getting about the same as well, but I'd recommend it if you're going to go up there, get there early. But the haul we got whilst we were there was pretty cool. We got 2 crates of his cider or pale ale. Also got some chili oil, 2 bags of sausages. So total came to total about £45 to £50, which is quite a lot of money, but hopefully it's all going to be really good. But we'll have to review that at another point. But for now guys, hopefully you enjoyed the content. Don't forget, drop us a like on the video, comment down below any ideas for next adventure, and we'll see you guys next time. The outdoors awaits, and we'll see you guys in a bit.